Davido's alleged fourth baby mama reveals the face of his son as Chioma and his fans drags him for having another child. Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for always tuning in. How are you all doing? Hope you all are doing well and hope you all are still keeping safe. Guys, it's still very much important to keep safe, okay? If this is your first time here, you are welcome to Jenny Vlogs TV. Please, before you end watching this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification so that anytime I put up a new video, you will be notified. I officially welcome you all to another video, guys, so feel free and make sure you watch this video till the end because it's going to be an interesting one, okay? So guys, this video is going to be about Davido, Chioma and his fourth baby mama. So without wasting much of your time, let's just get right into this video. So rumor has it that Davido has a fourth baby mama. Not just that, and the fourth baby mama also have a son for him, okay? I don't know how true this is, but this is what have been going viral on social media. It has been going viral, and the name of the lady involved is Larissa. Yeah, Larissa. She based in London and she's a makeup artist. She's also a YouTuber as well. So according to the rumor going around on social media, it says that Larissa has another child for Davido, a son for that matter, and the name of the boy is Dawson. So the boy clocked one few months ago and the mom reveals the face of the boy, okay? Ever since she gave birth to the boy, she haven't revealed his face, until his birthday. So she reveals the face of the boy, and the boy looks exactly like Davido's second daughter Halle, and also looks like Chioma's son Ifeanyi. Like, the resemblance is just too much, guys. This one, no need for DNA test, and people have been calling on Davido, saying all sorts of things, that Davido should come and carry his son, that the son looks exactly like him. When I also look at the boy looks like Davido too, but you can't use it to conclude and say that that this is Davido's son. Wait, this is the boy you are seeing right now on your screen, and he looks exactly like Halle, Davido's second daughter, and also look somehow like Ifeanyi and also Davido. I don't know, but that is what the boy has, and that's just the way he looks like. But that's notwithstanding, it's possible that Davido is not also the father of the son. It's also possible that Davido is the father of the son. But the day the mother reveals the face of her son, people went to the comment section, to drag Davido, saying that this is Davido's son, that there is no need for DNA and everything. So though the mother did not respond to any of them, and she didn't even come out to let people know that, okay, this is not Davido's son, or this is Davido's son. She didn't say anything. She just kept smooth. She haven't even said anything. And also she named the boy Dawson. The name of the baby is Dawson, and Dawson means son of David. Yeah, that is what it means. Yes. And all through, she played Davido's music on her son's birthday. Like, there are just things that she did that will make you to insist that he is Davido's son. But Davido denied the claim that he is not the father of the child, okay? That's what Davido said, that the baby is not his. So, but Chioma, in fact, I think this is the main thing, that Chioma was very, very angry with Davido. She was so upset because, according to the information I gathered, she was also pregnant when Chioma was pregnant with Ifeanyi, okay? She was also pregnant with at almost the same time, because Chioma gave birth to Ifeanyi October 2019, and she gave birth to her own son March 2020. You see the difference now, okay? Just few months difference, as in Ifeanyi is older than the boy with, I think, 6 months or thereabout, around that month. So that is it. And the boy just looks so much like, as in him and Ifeanyi, they look so much alike, and Davido too, and also Davido's second daughter Halle, they look so much alike. But Davido's fans keep dragging him, telling him that he is the owner of the child, like the son, that the boy is his, that he can't even deny this one, that no DNA can even make him to say that this is not his son, that they look so much alike, that he should come and carry his son, or that he should do something about it, because if he doesn't do something about it, that the future will tell and everything. But the mother of the boy did not react at all. She didn't say anything and everything. She didn't even say anything at all. So according to the source I have here, it's read, apparently Davido had a fling with a certain UK-based Angolan makeup artist, Larissa Lourenço, in 2017, and the result was a baby boy who David has allegedly denied. Now, the one who will be the most hit with the news about Davido's second son is Davido's engaged fiancé, Chioma Roland. Chioma for once thought her dream of her son Ifeanyi becoming the sole heir of Davido's assets has been solidified. But with the introduction of Larissa's unidentified son, Ifeanyi would have to compete for his place after he was seen as the one to enjoy the fruits of his father's labor. The Chioma should find a way to deal with this, as Larissa has sure come to stay and her son will greatly play a role in the life of Davido, although he was alleged to have blocked Larissa in order to cut her access to him in a bid to save his face with Chioma Roland. We can only hope that Davido will not toss the coin of his marriage and wedding plans with Chioma into dustbin. Guys, this is what I just gathered. Hope you guys understood what I read now. And like I said earlier, that it's possible that the Dawson boy is not even Davido's son. It's 100% possible. Okay, but according to this source, they said that this Larissa had a fling with Davido before. Okay, they had something. It's not 100% confirmed that he is Davido's son. Okay, so this is what I want to share with you all today, and hope you enjoyed this video. Please let me know what you think about it in the comment section below. Air your own view in this comment section below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you haven't yet subscribed. Okay, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.